Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Alex, Zuka, how are you? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? 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 Hello, can you hear me, Navita?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes.
Okay, where is Zuka and Alex? Why are not they talking? Can you open all your camera?
I can open up my camera.
Hello,
My camera
teacher.
has problem.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, Alex, I've been talking earlier over here. You're not responding. What are you doing earlier?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Zuka, what are you doing earlier? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Hello, everyone. Alex, Zuka, Novita, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So our lesson for tonight is Unit 24, okay? Unit 24, Leaving and Arriving. Can you read the lesson, Alex? Alex,
Yes. Uh, Living and arriving.
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 Okay, that's good. Novita, are you there? Novita.
I'm here.
Nuvita. Yes, okay, that's good. All right. So you're going to read, can you read the lesson, please?
Fun for mover. Fun for flyers. Unit 24. Leaving and arriving.
Okay, how about you, Zuka? Zuka? Zuka, are you here? Zuka? Where is Zuka? Okay, now let's start here. Vocabulary. I want you to read the vocabulary, Alex.
Platform, pod, plane, plane,
Hmm?
planet, pod, platform,
Platform.
platform,
This one?
pod,
Pot.
pod.
Very good. That's good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it? Alex,
Planet,
planet.
planet,
Planet. Okay, very
planet.
good. Planet. Okay. Zuka, can you read the vocabulary? Zuka.
Platform, pass, planet. Yeah,
Okay, one more time. Platform.
platform,
Pat.
pass,
Planet.
planet,
One more time. Planet.
planet,
Okay, that's good. Nuvita. Nuvita.
I'm here.
Okay, read the vocabulary.
Planet. Mm,
How do you pronounce this one or how do you read that one?
Pat.
That's good. This one?
Platform.
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 Okay, very good. Let's move on here. Okay, Alex, can you read?
Passenger, passenger, passenger,
Passenger.
passenger,
That's good. Passenger, okay? All right.
wheel, airport,
Mm-hmm. Okay. One more time. Wheel. Like a
wheel,
Ferris wheel, right? This one, how do you
wheel,
pronounce? How do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it?
airport,
Airport.
airport,
One more time. Airport.
airport.
Okay, very good. That's great. That's airport, right? And Zuka, Zuka, Zuka.
yes. Pass, ever, well, airport,
Mm-hmm. Okay, one more time, Zuka. Passenger. Passenger.
Passenger.
Wheel.
Wheel.
Airport.
Airport.
Very good. Okay, Nuvita, it's your turn.
Passenger.
Yes.
Wheel. Airport.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let me slide this one. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we are going to answer this one. Choose the two words to complete each sentence. Okay? You're going to choose. Okay? So we have here an example. I want you to read the example, Zuka. Zuka, read the example. Elsa? Elsa? You're here?
Pillars sometimes
How are
use
you? Wait, hold on.
helicopter
Hold on,
to
Zuka.
fly.
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go back here because let's go back to. Okay, but you were late. That's okay. That's fine. Now I want you to read the example, Elsa. You read the example.
Pilots sometimes use a helicopter to fly to people who are in danger or need someone to help them very quickly.
Mm, okay, that's good. How do you pronounce this? Helicopter.
Helicopter.
One more time. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Very good. Okay, that's good. All right. And this one, pilot. Oh, pilot.
Good damn.
Okay. Quickly. Quickly. One more time. Quickly. Hello. Hello.
Quickly.
Okay, very good. Quickly. Okay. Now, can you answer number one, Novita? Novita, can you answer number one?
Number one. You have to wait on the
Mm-hmm.
on the path. The path.
The
The path.
Pat?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What's the answer, Novita?
Path.
Okay. Pat. Let's check. Platform. The correct answer is platform. Okay. Number two. Okay, wait. How do you pronounce this? This one. How do you pronounce it?
Railway.
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 Yes, that's railway, right? Very good. You're doing great. This one, station.
Station.
Very good. So what's the answer here? If you want to, Elsa, what do you think is the answer there? What's the answer?
Is mm, this right.
Hmm? What's the answer?
No. Oh, right.
Okay, let's check. Catch. Catch, right? So you have to wait on the platform at the railway station if you want to catch a train. Okay? Okay. All right. So let's move on to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Zuka. 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 Zuka, are you there? Zuka, can you answer number 2? Zuka, can you answer number 2, please? Zuka.
Elsa.
Okay. Who's that, Elsa? Is that your sister?
No.
Uh,
Cousin.
friend? Hmm? Cousin?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good. Hi, how are you? I'm good, my dear. Okay, Zuka, you can answer now. Zuka.
Some sometimes
Mm-hmm. You can read. Mm-hmm. Oh, Zuka, what happened to Zuka? Okay, Elsa. Elsa, can you answer number 2, please?
Sometimes, uh, sometimes, sometimes, sometimes planets planets sometimes planets travel into place in rockets to find no sometimes some sometimes co- uh,
Mhm.
sometimes passengers travel into place in rockets to find out more about science and other.
Okay. All right, that's good. Now, what's your answer? Your answer is? What's your answer? What's your answer, dear? Hmm? Sometimes. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? What's your
Yes.
answer? Yes. What's your answer? Elsa. Sometimes. You can choose your answer here. Wait, hold on. Uh, you can choose your answer here on the side. Here.
Mm,
Right. Here. Sorry.
oh,
Yeah, choose your answer there.
sometimes sometimes sometimes
Sometimes I go down deep. Oh, that's a song. Okay, Navita. Navita. Navita, can you help Elsa? Because I guess she got confused. Hello.
Mm, sometimes um astronauts
Astronaut.
Yes. Is answer for number 2.
Hmm? Let's check your answer, okay? Astronauts. Very good, Navita. Great job. Astronaut is the answer, Elsa, okay? Okay, and the next one, what's the answer, Navita? What do you think? Navita.
I don't know.
Okay, let's check what's the answer. How about you, Alex? Can you guess the answer? What's the answer here next to astronaut?
And
Hmm?
and and other and
Mm-hmm.
apple. I don't know.
The answer?
Apple.
What's the answer? You don't know?
Apple.
Mm. Okay,
Apple.
let's check. Planets. Okay. All right. So number three. Can you answer number three, Alex? Alex, can you answer number three? Alex, number three, can you answer?
Uh, mm,
Hmm?
Sometimes astronomers travel into space in rockets to find out more about science and other planets.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's the answer, Alex? A blank has to pay a taxi driver, quite a lot of money to take them from one part of the blank to another. What's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer?
Uh, 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 okay. Uh,
Okay, the answer is passenger. A passenger has to pay a taxi driver quite a lot of money to take them from one of the part of the Vita. What do you think is the answer?
Mm,
The Vita
platform.
platform,
Yes, I think.
you think? Okay, let's check. Let's check. City. Right? Take them from one part of the city to another. Okay? All right. Let's move on to number 4. Elsa, how about you, Elsa? Can you answer number 4? Oh my God.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh, Elsa. Okay, what's the answer, Elsa? Uh-huh, Elsa.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, what's the answer?
Mm.
What's the answer? Mm-hmm. What's the answer?
When you go for a ride on a bicycle,
Hmm?
when you
When
go
you go for a
a ride on a bicycle,
ride on a bicycle, right? Okay, you use your feet to make it blank. What's that? Mm-hmm.
you make it 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 it
Mm-hmm.
it
What's that?
turn round and round. Oh, it's
Mm-hmm.
it it
What's your answer? What's your answer? Go.
it it country. It country.
Okay, let's check, okay? Let's check if your answer is correct. Okay? Let's check.
Right.
Very good, Elsa. You're doing great, my dear. Good job. Come on, let's have a high five for that. High five. Good job. Okay, well, you get a correct answer, right? And a bicycle, right? So you use your feet to make it blank, turn around and round. What's the answer, Zuka? Zuka. Hi, Zuka. Zuka. What do you think is the answer, Zuka? Zuka, are you there? Can you answer number 4? Elsa already answered the first one. The second one, you can answer the second one.
When you go for a ride on a bicycle, what?
Hmm.
What?
What's the answer? What's the answer? Zuka. Okay. Elsa, how about you, Elsa? Can you answer?
Answer for
Mm-hmm.
you use your feet to make it
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go on.
love turn round and round.
Okay.
Look,
Okay, let's check. Let's check your answer, okay? Let's check. Wheels. Wheels. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, that's all right. The answer is wheels. But that's a
well,
yeah, that's all right. That's all right, my dear. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one, okay? Okay, let's move on to number 5. Number 5. Can you answer number 5, Novita? Novita, I want you to answer number 5. Novita,
In
Novita.
in many
Yes.
um in many journey you need to buy a ticket before
Okay.
you can travel on a bus or train.
Yes, that's right. Very good, my dear. Okay, but let's check your answer, okay? And what's your answer? In many
In many journey
countries. Okay, countries. In many countries, you need to buy what you will need to buy?
a ticket.
A ticket. Okay. You need to buy a ticket. Let's check. Wow, very good, Navita. That's great. Very good. Okay, you need to buy a ticket before you can travel a bus or train. Number 6. What number are we? Yeah, number 6. Can you answer number 6, Alex? Alex, can you answer number 6?
People need to get on a plane at at and at and at an a sky to go along to go along to,
People need to get on a
no,
plane.
no.
Okay.
People need to get on a plane at an airport to go on a long sky by air.
By air. Okay, let's check your answer, okay? Wait, hold on. The answer is airport. Very good. To go on a long. What's the answer here? Zuka. The first answer is airport. Zuka, are you busy? Zuka, are you busy, my dear?
No.
Are you busy? You're busy?
No.
No, you're not busy. Okay. Okay, can you answer the second one? It said here people need to get on a plane at an airport to go on a long blank by air.
Không có tiếng.
People need to get on a plane as an airport to go on a long long
What's the answer?
long
Okay, let's check the answer, okay? Journey. The answer is journey. Okay?
journey.
Yes, journey by air. Okay, last number. People who, what's the answer here, Navita? People who blank adventures might go to the rides in hot air balloons. High up in the, oh, yeah, go on. What's the answer?
I don't
What's,
know.
you don't know? Okay. Let's check the answer, okay? Let's check. Okay. People who love adventures might go for rides in hot air balloons. Yes. High up in the sky. So that's the answer, okay? Let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's have this. So look at the picture, answer the question. You're going to answer the question. First question we have here. Um, which words, which words from the word box in A can you see in pictures? What's the answer? Elsa. Elsa, let me just clear this one. Can you answer, Elsa? What's the answer? Hello, Elsa. What's the answer? Mm-hmm.
Picture one has a helicopter. Picture two has a plane.
Okay. All right. Let's check. Okay, let's check. All right. Now, wait, hold on. Let me just clear this one. Okay. So, just a second. All right. So, in picture one, okay, this is sky, right? So, in this picture, you can see sky, the passenger, the wheels, and the airport. So, this is the airport, right? This is the airport. The passenger. There's a lot of wheels. There's a wheels. Is there any wheels here? Yeah. And the airport, right? So which orange words, um, from the sentences is, or from the sentences in A, can you see here? What do you think? What do you think? Hello? Can you hear me, everyone? Hi. Can you hear me? Elsa, can you answer? Elsa.
Mm.
Or Zuka. Or Alex. Where is Alex? Alex, are you there? Alex. Alex is not here. Alex. Alex. Alex is not here. Novita. Novita.
I'm here.
Okay. Can you
I'm here.
answer second question, please?
Mm,
Which orange words from the sentences in A can you see here?
uh, I can see the airport fly. Um,
Okay. So here we can see helicopter, right? The helicopter, we can see the helicopter, the bus, the bicycle, the taxi, and the plane, right? Yes? This is the orange one. Look at that. This is the orange one right here on the side, right? So that is where you are going to check your answer. We have helicopter, you have the taxi, the bicycle, what else? The bus, the plane, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on. Okay, let's have here. Listen. We cannot listen. Wait, hold on just a second. Let me fix. Because we cannot listen the audio file. Just a second. Hold on just a second. We cannot listen the audio file here. So I am going to fix the audio file because I cannot listen, okay? Just a second. Can you hear the audio?
no,
No?
no.
Okay, hold on. I can't hear the audio. Why is this? Just a second, my dear. I cannot hear anything. Okay. Let's just move on to the next one, okay? We'll go back after that. Let's move on here. So here, find and talk about 7 more words. Can you find and talk about 7 more words? Can you do that? Can you do that?
Mm, yes.
Okay. Yeah, let's have okay, Navita, good job. You're going to talk about 7 more difference. Okay? Navita,
I'm here.
you're going to talk about. Okay, let's say number 1. Number 1, we have here number 1, a man. A man is getting on a bus. Look at that. Look at the man. The man is getting on the bus, right? Or waiting outside a bus. Where is that? Don't encircle yet. Let me delete this one, okay? I want you to talk. Not encircle, but talk. Talk. What do you see on the picture? Okay? Novita, number 1. Just one. Okay? So others can also talk about it. Okay?
In the first picture, there are 3 taxis. But in the second picture, there are only 2 taxis.
Okay, very good. Okay. So next, Elsa, can you talk about the picture? I will give you all the answers after, okay?
What we did?
What did this? Okay. All right. So, how about this? A man is pushing. A man is pushing. Where is that? A man is
Back.
pushing. A
First,
man is pushing or riding a bicycle, right? Look at that. A man, you're going to say like this. A man is riding a bicycle.
a man
Okay?
is
This one also,
riding
a man is
bicycle.
riding a bicycle. How about this man and woman here? What are they doing?
They is running.
Yes, a man and a woman
Man
are running to the
running.
bus. Okay, I'm going to write here. Hold on. So, a man, a man, and woman are running to the bus. Okay? Elsa, can you read? Can you read, Elsa? Elsa. Elsa, I want you to read. A man.
A man and woman are running to the bus.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's good. Okay? Okay, let's clear this one. Let's clear. Okay, what else do you see on the picture, Alex? You can make a story. Okay? Make a story.
No.
Make a story. Come on, let's make a story.
Um, in the
Let's make a story. What else do you see on the picture?
uh, in the picture 1,
Mm-mm.
I see uh the boy
Mm-hmm.
the boy
Mm-hmm.
next to car
Next to car.
wearing green sweater. No, wearing white gray sweater. But the picture
White.
2,
Okay.
The boy is wearing green sweater.
Okay, that's good. Okay. That's good. Okay? But you can also say the airport. Look at this one. Look at the sign. This is red, right? You can also say the airport. The airport sign is red. Can you read, everyone? Let's read. The airport sign. Can you
The
read,
airport
Zuka? Yeah, go
sign
on.
is red.
Yes, very good. Right. What else? Hold on, let's. Okay, how about you,
There is
Zuka?
a
Yeah, okay,
helicopter.
go on. There is.
A helicopter.
Yes, there is a helicopter. Right, very good, Novita. Is that you, Novita, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What else? Zuka. What else do you see? Yeah, go on.
There are 3 taxis.
3 taxis. Is it 3? 1, 2, 3. I guess 4.
Oh,
4. 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. On the first picture, but on the second picture, there are 2. Right? Okay. So look at this one. Let me encircle. Look at this one. The man. What is this? I guess that's an umbrella. Right? So you can say like this. The man by the bus has got an umbrella. Can you read, everyone?
The man by the bus has got an umbrella.
Very good. That's great. What else? Last one. What's the color of his
Um,
hair? Right. So, can you see the
ah,
difference? The color of the hair by the man by the bus. They do have different color of hair, right? What's that? Bita, the sun? There is a sun, right? Look at the difference. On the first picture, there is no sun, right?
yes.
Yes. And on this first picture, the man by the bus has got blonde hair. And then the second picture here, okay, hold on. The first picture, the man, the man by the bus has got blonde hair. Look at that. And the second picture, the man by the bus has got black hair, right? Navita,
Yes.
am I correct? Yes, good job. Yeah, look at, oh, what is that? There's an airplane. So the airplane is, what happened? Has arrived. That's arrived. And then here, the airplane departed. Right? This one, the helicopter departed. Okay? Novita?
Yeah.
Novita, I guess we don't have enough time, right?
Yes.
Yes, all right. We don't have enough time. So thank you so much for having you in my class tonight. And I hope you have a good night. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye bye. Bye, Elsa. Bye, Zuka. Alex. Bye bye. Have a good night.